OnePlus has started teasing the arrival of the OnePlus Nord 3, Nord CE3, and the Nord Buds 2 or TWS earbuds in India. While the exact date is yet to be unveiled, there are speculations that the announcement might happen around the first week of July. Now, ahead of the launch, the OnePlus Nord 3 hands-on video has surfaced online, courtesy of Pinoy Metro Geek. This reveals the entire design and everything about the phone. The OnePlus Nord 3 has a center position punch hole cutout for the selfie snapper and narrow bezels on all corners. The power button and an alter slider are on the right edge, while the volume rockers are on the left. Flipping the phone to the back, you see two large circular cutouts for triple camera sensors and dual LED. The bottom portion houses speaker grills, a SIM tray section, and a USB Type-C port. The OnePlus Nord 3 can be seen in blue color, but there could be other options at launch. The handset has a boxy design with rounded edges on the corners. Box contents include a user manual, SIM ejector tool, and a charging adapter. The unboxing video shows the OnePlus Nord 3 globally will be available in 16GB RAM plus 256GB storage option.